AirSensor ECL01 from EcoLife is a Polish product designed for measuring indoor air quality. It allows for measurements of 6 environmental factors that together form an air quality assessment. It's very easy to install an EcoLife sensor. Make sure your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi. Download the EcoLife Healthy Breathing app from the Google Play Store or from the App Store. Create an account and log in. Connect the AirSensor ECL01 device to a power supply via the supplied USB cable. You can use a USB power bank supply unit, power bank, or a PC's USB port to power the sensor. The device needs up to 10 seconds to power on. Once it does, its LED will turn green or bright green. In the mobile app, once you are logged in, touch the blue plus sign button to add a new device. Next steps will be displayed on screen. One of those steps is pairing a device by placing your hand on the sensor's surface for approximately 5 to 8 seconds. The device's LED will turn white, indicating its readiness for pairing. You can now place the device in its designated measurement spot. You can use the sensor with the mobile app or just by observing the colors of its enclosure. The colors will change from green to yellow, through red and finally dark red. You can see that the sensor's reading will change just by lighting a match or cigarette in its vicinity. You can get more detailed information about air quality in the mobile app. The outer ring represents concentration of PM10 particles, the middle ring represents concentration of PM2.5 particles, and the innermost ring represents organic particles. If a ring is more than half full, it means that the air quality norm for those particles has been exceeded. You can also check other information here: temperature, humidity, number values for those parameters, and current pressure readings. The mobile app also lets you browse a history of PM10 and PM2.5 particle matter readings. You can even view the readings of other users from all over the world. The readings can be presented as icons on the map, representing the air quality in each location, and if you save those locations, they will be readily accessible in a separate tab. You can also check the readings in the browser at ecolife.eu.com. Just log in with the same account you created while installing your sensor. The panel has the following information: current readings from your sensor, its location and surroundings on the map, including simplified readings from other nearby sensors. If you have more than one sensor linked with the same account, you can switch through them by using the arrows. You can even personalize your sensors. Give each one a background image and a distinct name. By clicking on the thumbtack icon, you can browse a list of nearby stations that are sharing their readings with EcoLife's customers. The system also lets you search stations by name or region. The website lets you browse much more historical data than the mobile app. Parameters of the measured air are presented as a graph, along with their changes over time. The measurement results can be viewed as an average for each hour, day or month. The device has a single touch button located under the top surface of its enclosure. The sensor weighs 210 grams and conforms to the European Union's applicable standards.